In Berlin in 2024, in March, we're going to have an FTTH conference.
Specific focus you will see in Berlin on fixed access.
We are seeing great growth in fixed access connectivity across Europe right now, but there's still a problem with take-up and demand for the services. So one of the ways of stimulating demand is through new digital technologies in the new smart home era.
You will see latest highlights for 50 GPON solutions, latest innovations for home products, and for sure, I would love to welcome you to one of my panels.
There we will be presenting our thoughts on how to drive demand for the digital take-up of fiber to the home in the smart home era.
To dig deeper into the values and opportunities, same as the challenges, gigabit Ethernet speed at home brings. See you there.